Hello, general students. Let's hope that you are watching this before you do anything else. And remember, I want you to watch this before you come to your Google Meet this week. This is December 7th through 11th. And you have, I would say, probably break it down into 5, 6 things that you are going to be doing this week. So let's take a look under fractions in our Schoology page. This, of course, is the video that you are watching right now, so you should be fine. The first thing that you are going to do is watch the video and do the 10 questions for multiplying fractions in Go Formative. The second thing you're going to be doing is the dividing integers, lesson 2.5 dividing integers. Again, video and 10 questions in Go Formative. And the third thing you're going to be doing is the escape room. So let's go and take a look at that assignment. So there's actually 4 things that you're going to do in here that I want you to pay attention to. First of all, you've got a PDF. That is the packet that's going to have all the levels. So this is number 1 right here. You are going to work through the packet. Level 1, you're going to do 4 different pages. It's going to give you a 4-digit code. Keep that. Level 2, you're going to do probably a little bit of an arts and crafts project, if you want to call it that way. You're going to put together some triangles, and then you will have 9 letters that go in a certain order. Then level 3, you are going to get an answer to a riddle by solving some problems. All of those 3 things, and it's not level 1 is the easiest, level 2 is harder, level 3 is harder. They're all it's just considered a level of the escape room. But you need to keep those things. So again, for level 1, you need to keep that 4-digit code. Level 2, you're going to have those 9 letters in a certain order. And level 3, you're going to be answering a riddle. Once you have those 3 answers, then you are going to open the link to the escape room, which is down here. And it is basically a Google form. The first thing it's going to ask for is the 4-digit code for level 1. And then it's going to ask you for the 9 letters in the certain order for level 2. And then it's going to ask you for the answer to the riddle in level 3. And if you get all of them right, it's going to give you a completion code. It's going to be a 4-digit code that is your completion code. And you are going to hang on to that, because then the very last thing is you are going to submit that completion code to the Escape Room Answer Schoology quiz. So let's take a look at where that's going to be. That is this last part down here. This is where your Escape Room completion code goes in. It's a Schoology quiz, and it's only 1 question, and you enter your 4 digits, and it will tell you if you are right or wrong. So very quickly, recap. Number 1, watch this video. Come to the Google Meet with your answer to the question, which is going to be on the next page. Number 2, do the 2.4 multiplying fractions, go video and 10 questions. Number 3, the 2.5 dividing integers, video and 10 questions in Go Formative. Number 4, you're going to do level 1, level 2, and level 3 in the packet. Keep your answers. And number 5, put the completion code in the Schoology quiz. If you have questions, message me. I will be happy to go through it with you. Here is your question of the week. Come to your Google Meet ready to give me this answer. Where in the real world, there's the tricky part, real world, do we use fractions? Come to the Google Meet ready to give me an example of where we use fractions in the real world. Message me if you have questions. Otherwise, I'll see you at our scheduled Google Meet.